So how to transfer dollar Binance to Bybit without any fee? So this is my Binance account. So first of all, you have to select your spot, and then you can see the withdraw option. You have to select withdraw, and here is I have USDT $92. You can see. Now select your USDT, then you can see send via crypto, and then you can see this kind of interface. Now select your network which you want to use. Suppose I want to use BNB, and it's for free, no commission. Now go back to my Bybit. Now go the asset, and now you have to press on deposit and select USDT, and you have to select same network that you are using for BTC. So I have select the same network and copy the network and press and hold and paste it. Now enter your amount. Suppose I want to transfer $10. Press on confirm, and complete the verification process, and you have to wait at least 2 or 3 minutes. Now go back to my Bybit account, and if you go on the home page, then you can see your issue is pending, and within couple of seconds your dollar will be added. Thank you. Have a good day.